But how are we going to do, Christopher? Tell me.
Today's a very windy day. We're a bit concerned that we might end up over in Norway. So we're going to stay close to the harbour coast, turning right at the sea wall.
Because we're blowing.
Try and keep tight in. It's blowing
alive.
Alive
Is the word I was looking.
Alive.
Yeah, right. We'll see how we're doing. But sunny day, but a bit breezy. We'll see how we get on. There we go, Christopher.
Well, no, we've got one each.
One each. Blowing a bit of a gale.
We're holding our breakfast down very well.
Just. But yeah. So we'll try again. We need that big pollock. There we go. I need you to throw it back in the sea so I can take a picture of it, Chris. That's alright. That's a proper one.
Yeah, that's good.
Is that alright?
That was good.
Are we in the right... Now, I would not have thought we'd get one here, you know.
Right spot.
Oh, well done. Oh, well done, Christopher. There we go. We haven't done very well, Christopher, have we?
We've had a quiet day, John.
A couple of good big ones.
And about 6 small ones. We'll get sent to prison for.
Yeah, it's a bit choppy. Anyway, so over and out. Over a bit. Yeah. Just doing some cooking. Barbecue time.